Hi there and welcome. My name is Luke and today we're going to dive into one of the most exciting tools out there for the modern business, ChatGPT. Now, you've probably heard all of the crazy hype around AI, but what does it really mean for your business? Well, we're going to dive into all of that now.
So let's think about this for a second. AI is no longer just a high tech tool for big corporations like Alibaba and Facebook. It's actually accessible to all of us. Yes, even small businesses. You see, AI can streamline your operations, boost your efficiency, and even cut down your costs, which will give you a competitive advantage over anybody else in your field.
Now, I know some of you might be wondering, isn't AI super complex and really expensive? But I'm here to reassure you that those two things won't be an issue here. I'm going to show you some real world examples of how ChatGPT can answer your customers' questions, provide you with product information, and ultimately improve the general workflow of your business. So by the end of this video, I'm very confident that you will see how ChatGPT can revolutionize your business.
All right, let's start with one of the most powerful ways to use ChatGPT, automating customer support. Now, we all know how much time customer inquiries can take up, especially those repetitive questions, right? So imagine if ChatGPT could handle questions like, do you offer discounts or what's your return policy all on its own. So here it is in real time. ChatGPT responding to common customer questions, such as, like what's your return policy? And as you can see, ChatGPT will instantly come up with an answer. Our policy does not include returns or a 30-day money back guarantee. All sales are final. But let's say, you do have that 30-day money back guarantee. Well, then all you have to do is tell ChatGPT, we offer a 30-day money back. And what that will do is then update ChatGPT's memory. So from now on, when you ask this question of what's your return policy, it will then answer that you do offer a 30-day money back guarantee. See, so that's how you can actually get ChatGPT to respond in the way that you want it to respond to. But it can also answer all types of questions, like do you offer discounts? And as you can say, this will then say, we currently don't have any discounts for our product. However, we ensure top quality and a 30-day money back guarantee for peace of mind with every single purchase. But let's say, you do have some type of code. We'll then say like XO would be our code for 10% off. Well, then now when somebody asks this question of do you offer a discount, it will now answer with XO is now your code to get 10% off. See, so from now on, when you ask this question, it will then say we offer a discount code XO for 10% off your purchase. So that's how you can get ChatGPT to respond in the way that you want it to respond. So the last step would then just be connecting this to a CRM to be able to actually connect to your website. And I'll show you how to do that a little bit later on in this video. Next up is content creation and marketing, which I know can be a time-consuming process for any business. But what if I told you that ChatGPT could actually be your own personal copywriter? Watch this. ChatGPT can whip up product descriptions, social media posts, and even brainstorm blog ideas. So let me show you how it's done. So let's say, for example, we want to sell this belt here. So all we're going to do is copy this image and go ahead and come back over to ChatGPT and paste it. And then what we're going to do is then ask ChatGPT to write us a product description. So And as you can see, within just a few moments here, ChatGPT will give us a product description for that belt. This will save us tons of time and make our products way easier to sell. But let's say we want to take that belt and we want to, make an Instagram post with it. So all we would have to do is ask ChatGPT to write us a social media post. So write us a social media post. And as you can see, within just a few moments here, it will write us this social media post, which makes advertising way easier. So not only will this save you on tons of time and cut your costs, but you might not need to outsource as much work or hire additional help, which is going to be a complete game changer for you. Let's explore how ChatGPT can save time with everyday communication by helping draft emails and quick responses. Imagine you receive frequent inquiries or need to send, similar types of follow-up emails. Well, with ChatGPT, you can generate professional email drafts or responses without starting from scratch, every single time. Here's an example. With just a few details, ChatGPT can craft you a polished, friendly email that's instantly ready to go. You can even tweak it as much as needed to be able to match your tone. So let me show you how it's done. So for example, if we wanted to write a follow-up email for a client meeting, then we can just ask ChatGPT. And as you can see, in just a matter of moments here, it will provide you with a follow-up email template that you could use just after a meeting. Now, obviously, we would have to fill in all of the blanks here, but this is perfect for responding to common requests, sending reminders, or even handling routine communications in just a fraction of the time. You see, it's a quick and effective way to keep on top of your inbox and then to ensure that all responses are prompt and professional.
Now, I know you might be thinking, this sounds amazing and everything, but isn't this going to be super complex to set up? Well, actually, I'm here to show you just how easy it is. Today, we're going to integrate ChatGPT into a basic customer service platform to automate responses for you. And I'm going to show you how to do it right now.
Here's a step-by-step guide to set ChatGPT as a customer service bot. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go get a HubSpot account. So you need to ensure that you have an active HubSpot account with access to CRM and workflows. Next, you need to create a Zapper account, just to facilitate the integrations between HubSpot and ChatGPT. And then next, of course, you need to obtain your API key from OpenAI to access ChatGPT's capabilities. Next, we need to define our chatbot's purpose. So we need to determine the specific tasks for your ChatGPT powered bot to handle, such as answering frequently asked questions, providing product information, and even assisting with common customer inquiries. Next, we need to create a HubSpot form for customer inquiries. So in HubSpot, all you have to do is navigate to marketing, lead capture, and forms. After you do that, then you need to create a new form to be able to collect all of your customers' inquiries. And you need to include fields like, your name, email, and probably some type of welcome message. Next, you then need to embed this form on your website or landing page to capture your customers' questions. So, in order to embed this form, then all you have to do is simply copy and paste the code below into the HTML code on your website, and it will instantly allow you to now have that chatbot there. Next, you need to set up a Zap in Zapper. So you need to log into your Zapper account and click on Create a Zap. Next, you need to choose your trigger. So you need to choose HubSpot as the trigger app. You then need to select New Form Submission as the trigger event. And then you want to connect your HubSpot account and select the form that you had created in your customer inquiries. Next, you need to choose OpenAI as the action app. You then need to select Send Prompt as the action event and connect your OpenAI account using your API key. Then you need to test and activate the Zap. So you need to test the Zap to ensure it's working correctly, and then once confirmed, just turn on the Zap to activate your workflow. Then you need to monitor and refine. So you want to regularly monitor the bot's interactions just to ensure that you're providing accurate and helpful responses. And then you need to refine the prompts and workflows as needed to then improve your performance.
See, in just a few clicks here, you're set up and ready to go. And no, you don't have to be any type of tech expert or genius coder to set this up. In fact, I was able to do it in about 30 minutes. But this is so much more than just a tool. This is a way to work harder and smarter without having to break your bank. And I'll let you in on a little secret. I taught you how to customize your ChatGPT's responses at the beginning of this video to make sure that it matches your brand's voice perfectly. So make sure that you're applying that to your robot.
So these are just a few examples of what ChatGPT can do for your business. You see, AI's potential is vast, and in my full training program, I'll walk you through everything. So you're going to learn the ins and outs, advanced strategies, and even tips and tricks to really take your business to the next level using ChatGPT. So whether it's automating complex tasks, personalizing responses based on customer data, or even creating entire workflows, this program has you covered. And I'm thrilled to say that businesses just like yours have already benefited from this approach. Beck said that ChatGPT is not just a tool, it's a real assistant in your work and everyday life. Its ability to learn and adapt to your requirements makes it indispensable. I've been using ChatGPT extensively for various projects and personal tasks, and my experience has been nothing but positive. What made my experience so great? Well, ChatGPT has surprised me with its deep understanding and ability to adapt to my needs. It helps me with chatbot development, website creation, CRM setup, and even programming in various languages. Its knowledge in areas such as IT, science, and engineering is just simply amazing. It also is really good at creating music and has demonstrated excellent abilities in this area. So, what does this company do well? Well, OpenAI has done a great job of creating an AI that is not only tech savvy, but also helpful, constructive, and friendly. ChatGPT always provides detailed, professional, and clear answers, making it an ideal tool for businesses and personal use. In addition, it's constantly updating and improving its skills, allowing you to receive relevant and accurate information. And even SEO.ai says that a survey among American businesses indicated that 24% have saved between $50,000 and $75,000 just by simply leveraging ChatGPT, with a total of 66% saying that they saved anywhere from $5,000 to $75,000. Usage of OpenAI's platform is widespread, with over 92% of Fortune 500 companies and more than 2 million developers utilizing its APIs.
Now, I want you to imagine where your business could be in just the next few months from now with the full power of AI working for you. Now, you've already seen what's possible. I mean, people are making anywhere from $5,000 to $75,000 simply by integrating ChatGPT into their system. And with over 92% of Fortune 500 companies using ChatGPT, I mean, it's pretty obvious that it works. So, if you don't want to risk being left in the dust by your competition, then it's time for you to take some action. In my free trainings, you'll get the confidence and the skill sets that you need to be able to integrate ChatGPT into your business. And I want to transform the way that you operate and give you some real time results.
And here's why it's a no-brainer. For only $249.99, you'll get lifetime access to everything. So this will include hands-on exercises, personalized guidance, and step-by-step strategies that are designed to make a difference from day one. So think of it as an investment that pays off immediately and keeps on giving even as your business grows. So don't wait. Click the link below to start your journey today.
I'm excited to see all of the amazing things that we will be able to accomplish together with ChatGPT. Thank you guys so much for joining me on my free training, and I'll see you all on the inside.